We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, CHF. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, lower lows. Price action overall, higher highs. Midpoint. Also adding second level lows. And third level lows. So we can see price action is at the lowest point of that structure. So if price action pushes up, it can push up to second level lows. Price action monthly time frame, as I said before, is a bullish green candle. It's a doji side by side with the second last candle being a doji as well. So that market is consolidating, could be coming from a pattern at that low that can be creating that momentum for that market to reverse and push up. Price is currently sitting at 0.98436. So if price works its way up, we are looking for price to tag that midpoint between the black SR line and the red SR line at the numbers of 1.04008. Before tagging that number, it can tag the midpoint of the previous SR line and the black SR line. Create that midpoint at 1.0245. And if markets work its way down, it can head down to the bottom of the SR line at price of 0.96381. And if it breaks that SR line, it can head to the bottom of the fourth to last candle to market wick, which would be around the areas of 0.94088. So if the market is going to create momentum off this area from that spike down with the fourth to last candle and push up further, market identifying overall structures and structures at that area. So we can see previously we did get a push down. So if this price action does push up further, market did spike that black SR line for that first leg, second leg, came back down for that third. We're looking for the engulfment pattern in this area for that market to push up for that W formation. If that market decides to come down, it's coming down from multiple patterns, and that will be identified as the break of that SR line. Market came back to retest, and we received that push back through the SR line. So if we take that SR line in red and we put a zone around it, a little bit above, a little bit below, once the market came through the zone, came back to the top of that zone, came through the zone, it retest, pushed down. So it created that double top formation of that first, second, third, and we'll see that double top market come down. If it does draw back to retest before it pushes down through that black SR line, it can midpoint this area here of that SR line and then identify the break, as we can see, retest and push down to another level. Or we can receive that consolidation as we've seen with price in second and third, fourth, fifth, and all within that sixth to last candle in the market, consolidating within that bottom half of that sixth to last market and sixth to last candle in the market. Also, if this market pushes up, it also can be coming from a pattern, as I said before. Fourth to last candle spike down to that low. So we do have that coming down in red is that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up. So in this area here is identifying as a triple bottom or a left shoulder head and a right shoulder. We'll see how it looks as we walk down the time frame. Or it can identify as coming down in red with the spike down first, second last candle is a retest with the price action candle. If it's respected, we'll see that W formation. Working our way to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, price action, bearish red doji, push up to the top, so it could be losing momentum to reverse. So we'll see what's going on in that area. So it's patterns inside patterns. So once again, if this market does push up for an incline on this structure, we are in a wedge pattern. So we can see that market did have that incline, but if we connect the resistance, we can see that market's in that wedge pattern, bouncing up and down until we see that breakout. Also, if that market does push up, we can see that structure formed, and it's identifying as a first, second, third, fourth. So we do see that double bottom happen on that SR line. Market broke, came back to retest that double bottom from the previous side. We're going to see if that market is going to retest and push and break out of that area. If not, we can see that decline within the last few candles in the market, which will identify the first, second, third, fourth. The market comes down, get the engulfment to the last previous 3 to 4 candles in the market. We see that M structure, so market will be back at that zone. So once market gets to that zone, we look for the break of the zone, retest that zone for that market to come from that double top and a retest. Working our way to the daily time frame. So price action, daily time frame reading as a bearish red candle, consolidating with the last few candles in the market. So if this market does decline, it's coming from multiple pushes to that top. So we can see that overall first, second, third, fourth, okay, double top, full retest, red and green, get the engulfment as price action trying to do to the previous second, third, fourth, fifth, and last candle market come down from that double top. So to break down this area, you want to see, so we have price action high, which is that SR line we created. We have a low, and we have that midpoint in this area here. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth, multiple retests, and market pushed up. So you can see where it's coming down from that double top, not just that overall double top and a retest, but we have a double top and another double top in that area. So market's headed back down from that double top to that midpoint. So as we on a 4-hour time frame, we're going to put a zone around that SR line. So a little bit above, a little bit below. And let's take a look at what the market did. So the market did identify multiple pushes to that area. So it's multiple, like a double bottom, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up, tagged the top for that double top, came back for the retest to that previous side. And we can see above price, we can see that first, second, third, fourth, double top. So once that market hits price, we're going to see if it's going to, once price go into that zone, we're going to wait until to see what the zone going to consolidate in that area for it to break out to the upside or downside. So once it enters the zone and it start breaking out that zone, we are looking for the break and retest. Either it's on the top of the zone or the bottom. Headed down to 3-hour time frame, price second, third, all consolidating, all within each other. So what happened is the market spiked down to that zone and just worked its way sideways. 2-hour time frame, same as well. So starting to receive some structure in there. Also, we got certain pointers in that market to identify market could be coming from a first, second, third, fourth. Create that double top, which you identify as the break and retest. Doji's on the 1-hour time frame, so we got a consolidation. Same as the 45, same as the 30, everything within each other. And we can see that pattern forming. So as you're going to respect that W, we'll look for price to break that midpoint in that area on that 15-minute time frame. Also same as the 5, still receiving that consolidation. 3-minute time frame, bullish green candle, still within consolidation, and same as the 1. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR, CHF.